So today I wanted to do another quick video on, this time I wanted to do it on white pine. White pine is an incredible source of vitamin C. White pine has 3 to 4 times as much vitamin C than any citrus fruit that you could consume. So today I just want to show you how to identify white pine and how to make a tea out of it. As I said, it is a very good source of vitamin C. It's also an antioxidant and has other vitamins in it as well. So I'm going to turn the camera so I can show you. Okay, so when you look at a pine tree, you're going to notice in a white pine, the needles are going to be 3 to 4 inches long, depending on how old the tree is. And if you see, you can see how the needles are in bunches. So the way that you're going to identify it is you're going to take a bunch of needles and you're going to count the number of needles in the bunch. So when you spread these needles apart, you're going to see, if I can do it with one hand, I apologize. If you count the needles per bunch, you're going to see that there's 5 needles in this bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way that you can remember that this is a white pine is you can remember the word white has 5 letters in it. So I'm gonna spread this open so you can see it. It has 5 needles. So when you look at the bottom of it, this is where it comes together. When you make your tea, you're gonna wanna cut this brown piece off. And so, so what you're gonna do is, you can either, pick it as you need it. You can do like 2 teaspoons of chopped needles. So what you're going to do is, like I said, you're going to take this brown piece off here and you're going to take it from different areas on the tree. You're not going to all take the needles all from one place. And then you're going to take that brown piece off. You're going to cut it in half or chop it up. And so if you're going to do the per serving method, it's going to be about 2 teaspoons for 8 ounces of water. And you can also do a larger batch, and you can take about a half a cup of chopped needles, and you're going to put it in, I use a French press, but any method that you would use to steep your tea, you can use for this. So you can also, if you wanted to do a larger batch, you could take 3 cups of water and 1/2 a cup of the pine needles. And what you're not going to boil the needles, because that will denature the needles and it will take the vitamin C out of the needles, and you don't want to do that. And so you're going to boil your water, and then you're going to turn your water off, and then you're going to pour the water over the needles, and then you're going to steep it for about 20 minutes. Whatever you're not going to drink right away, you're going to want to put in the refrigerator, and you can store it overnight. And as I said, this is an amazing source of vitamin C, more so than even citrus fruits. So as I said last time, and as I'm going to say always, do your research. If you have any questions, definitely ask, but it's a really good source of vitamin C. And as I said last time, I'm really being called during this time to share what information I have, because I think it's helpful for all of us. And I think it's really what I'm being called to do right now. So yeah, have a great day.